Hey y'all, so we're outside today. We're both still trying to recover from the flu, but we are going to try to finish getting the carport done today. We are already in the 80s and that living room is heating up. You see all of these boards behind me? I have to get those stained as well as finish getting the other part of the carport stained. And then Tommy's going to put the metal up. So let's get started staining these boards. So do I need to do both sides or just one? Just one, right? Just the bottom side that you're going to be seeing? I mean, these are pressure treated, right?
I guess. I don't know, baby. I don't know what they use to do.
Do you have something I can use to pull off the tags on the end? I hate that. When people leave those tags on the end like that, drives me nuts.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I got. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They want.
And while I'm working on those boards, Tommy is over here working on getting this part finished. I don't know if you can tell real well, like that board's been done, that board's been done, and those boards have not been done, so that you can compare the difference. Anyway, I'm going back to my boards. All right, I am done with all of those and those. And then we have some I stuck out here, right there, and right there. Now I just need to help Tommy finish staining that part. All right, well, we finished staining it. Now we're going to put the boards across, I think. And this is the metal we're going to be using. We got them for $20 a panel, and they're about $53 a panel at the store. A neighbor had them from leftover after they had redone their roof. So this is what we're going to be putting on the carport. And now he needs to cut them to the proper length. Put your blade on backwards, baby.
See? Yep.
You put your blade on backwards? How funny. And in case I didn't mention it, that wood is part of the lumber that we got from that deck we tore down. Was that a year or 2 years ago? I don't even know now. But we had kept these 1-bys from that deck in the garage so they wouldn't warp. So that's where all of the 1-bys came from. Look how blue that sky is behind you. And I just realized that tree is getting leaves already. No wonder I can't breathe. And now that he's got the furring strips up, it's time to start putting some metal on. And he's going to need my help carrying it. What do you need me to do? Just let me know. Should I be wearing gloves? It's a little late for that, I guess.
All right, let go. Let go.
Let go?
Let go.
Okay. Alright, well, it's getting dark. We're losing light. Tommy's going to get this piece screwed in, and then he's going to finish the rest of the metal on his next day off. Oh, look, the solar lights came on. Looks good, honey. Be happy to see it when I get home Wednesday. Second piece of the metal is finally going up. Alright, well, we got most of the carport done, except this little section right here. As I stated, we were using recycled materials and we ran out of the furring strips, so we have to buy another piece to fur in this part, and then we have a piece of metal, and then we need one more. And Tommy has a sudden medical problem. Smile for us, honey. The right side of his face is kind of paralyzed right now, so we are going to head to the emergency room and find out what's wrong with him. Can you finish the video?
Try. So thank you guys for watching our channel. If you haven't, please subscribe and don't forget to like it. And until then, we'll see you next time.
You did that without feeling on the right side of your face. Good job.
Okay.